Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Early this week we saw Queen Zainab address herself as Her Majesty after she won an award in New York for the Humanitarian of the Year, and it began to raise eyebrows as questions were asked if she had settled her scores with Ooni of Ife or it's just because she is from a royal family in Benin. Putting that aside, we checked into her Instagram handle, and to our surprise Wuraola still has photos of the Yoruba monarch on her page, which is unlike most divorce cases in the big names of this country. This photo above was culled from the page of the Queen, which she captioned "Number B watch eyes purple heart" amongst many other photos of them when the romance was still hot. The question now is, with the Ooni yet to find another queen for the royal stool and Queen Zainab still addressing herself as Her Majesty and photos of the Ooni still on her page, is there any chance that the two royal parties are looking at a reunion?
Today I humbly accept this award for every young girl that is looking out for a way out of poverty with no hope inside. I accept this award for the women who have had a dream that is defied. Yes. I accept this award for women home and abroad who refuse to be tamed and live their life as unapologetically and get up after every stumble, because you will fall.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You will fail. You will be ridiculed, but that's not the end. You'll be shamed for choosing the road that is less traveled, for choosing the path of liberation, for choosing to rise above, for choosing to walk away from abuse of any kind. It is not an easy path. I am here with you in prayer and in spirit. As important as tradition is to the fabric of our lives, tradition without intelligence is not worth having. I accept this award today on behalf of Nigerian women, African women, and women across the world, regardless of race and religion. Women who are misrepresented by lies and manipulated by culture and tradition. The only power that I know in this world that is of the Lord Almighty. He reigns supreme. I'd like to thank everyone for the support. Thank you for believing in me. I don't know why you believe in me though, but I thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.